just going to give a quick demonstration on how to remove the annoying motifs you get on IKEA sale products, because generally these seasonal products, they have the blank version. They had the one without this motif, and it was at a premium price. But this seasonal one, they wanted to put on discount, and I said to the wife, when I was in IKEA, I could remove that, and I said I have to scrape it off. And I've tried scraping it off, but to be honest with you, I've got 30 to do. So all I'm going to do is just scrape each one a little bit, and then I've got an entry point under whatever this, if it's a hot transfer or an ink print, I don't really know. I take some acetone, which now, if you were waiting to find out what I'm using, you could just end the video and just put some acetone on it and it's done. But the method is pretty simple. I've got some old cloth. I generally cut up my old clothes and make rags. This one's got quite a nice, I don't know, you'd call it like an itchy fabric or a denim weave to it. And inside I've got some tissue, so it's got like a soakable patch. And I just take some acetone. And for the demonstration, I'll pour it on. Oh no, I won't pour it on. Soak the rag. Let's put a cap on so I don't create a mess. Now I've got an entry point, and I can just work it over each horrible, non-representable motif, and with a bit of pressure you can take off each and every one. This works for all IKEA products that have these transfers that nobody wants, unless you're perhaps red-headed or you're trying to make biscuits that look like this. But they do just come off surprisingly easily. This rag will clog up with this vinyl-y style paint, and I'll just fold it over that point and start with a fresh bit. But as you can see, I've got quite a few to do to upgrade my spice library. This particular one's the Core Ken. As I said, they have a plain one and they had a black checkered one, but the plain one was at a premium price, I think like €4 or something, and this one was worked out euro each. So I'm saving myself €1 per pack, being thrifty, reusing some old trousers, and just taking off each motif. My acetone's already dried up, so I have to refresh that as I'm talking. But as you can see, as simply as this, sorry, line up the camera a bit, it just pops off each and every one, and soon you'll end up with, I've done a few already, one that's perfect, ready to be washed and to store some spices. Hopefully it's got a little rubber seal, so that's going to tarnish straight away with the spices, but airtight, quite a nice little unit. Got another 30 to go. Have a nice day.